Hi guys, this is Kinabuhing America vlog. If you wanna watch this video, you can imagine how deep is our snow of today. So guys, I will show to you how deep is our snow that is on my legs, guys. So I will show this one. Then today we don't have work because we are in level 3. This is a blizzard time. This is the first time that we have this one, because last 2014 we have a deep snow, but this is different from last 2014. So we are here in our place, Perrysburg, Ohio. We don't have work or even all in our city because of this blizzard. So I will let you figure out how deep is our snow in here today. So although our sun is really bright, but snow is very deep. Okay guys, today this is the first time since I've been here since 2008, the first time that we have this deep snow. So the snow is in my legs, guys. So look at, this is our sidewalk in here. Okay, this is our driveway. So I don't know if I can do this one with my snow blower today. It's too deep. This is a sidewalk. This is a public sidewalk. In this, if you notice that one, guys, look how deep is the snow. See, it's in my legs, guys. That is my house. That one, that's my house. And look at how deep is the snow. Oh my goodness, can't imagine, guys, how deep is the snow. So we are in level 3 today, so meaning no cars in the road because of this blizzard. So if that is on the other side, that place, that one, I think that is an emergency. Like they say that there is no cars. Okay, look at the snow. Okay, so you can figure out how deep is our snow here. So I'm thinking about where the same is in Alaska. Look at that. So although the sun is really bright, look, the sun is bright, guys, but the snow is really deep. We don't have work today. It's level 3. So in the Philippines, pag level 3 meaning may bagyo here. Hindi bagyo sa tubig, hindi bagyo sa bagyo sa snow. So this is the main road. So that you can figure out, guys. Look. This morning is level 3, so I don't know right now. I saw couples of cars, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so this is the main road. So that is my house. Okay, look at that. You can tell how deep is the snow. So I don't know how to use my snow blower today. So I'm gonna show to you. I'm gonna walk. This is the sidewalk that you can barely see the sidewalk. Very deep. I don't know if I can use my snowblower today. Guys, I just shoot to you because my family in the Philippines asking me, okay, you have to take a video of your snow today. So this is it. Okay, this is our neighborhood in the other side, and look at the snow is reach to my legs, guys. Oh, so cold. I don't know if you can. So our neighbor here, they're using their snowblower. I'm gonna use mine after. I'm gonna take this video if I can use it. And look at the sun, very bright. Okay, there is a truck over there. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. Oh, I don't know what is that. What truck is that? Okay, the truck is open, so maybe they're putting some salt. I don't know. Still, the snow is blowing. I try to use my snow blower soon. Okay, this is the top of my house, guys. This is the first time I have this experience, this deep snow. We have a deep snow before. We are at level 4 today, so level 3. So we stay home, guys. Look at how deep. It's almost level in my bay window, guys. The deep snow. Guys, I thought that our winter is over, since we are almost in our almost in spring season. But no, I made a mistake. The snow is not yet over. So maybe they're down to level 2 because I saw some cars in the road. So this morning at 5 o'clock, it said it's level 3, so meaning no cars is allowed to run in the road. But right now it is, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock here. So I saw some cars running, so maybe they down to level 2. So see, I saw some cars over there. Okay, guys, this is our situation here. So I tried to use my snowblower today, and I just take a video for my premiere for my YouTube channel, Kinabuhing America Vlog. So please do not forget to support my channel, guys. And I would like to share with you here. This is our situation here. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, and have a nice day. Bye. Love you.